This is the ICE Full Fat Trike, a new expedition tough trike that can tackle the most treacherous and challenging of terrain by easily rolling over mud, sand, snow, rocks, roots, and rough and gnarly trails. It's a radical new trike with legit off-road credentials. Initially designed for record setting, this durable and reliable trike can really take you anywhere, as long as you can pedal. It has taken Maria Lyerstam, a mom, athlete, speaker and entrepreneur, on her astonishing world record-setting Antarctic South Pole trike expedition. The ICE Full Fat Trike has an array of options, including suspension, wheel type and components. All trikes are built individually to order, so you can customize the perfect trike that meets your needs. The ICE Full Fat Trike is built on an optimized ice frame, featuring compact flat twist fold, which allows the trike to fold quickly and easily. It also has a no-brake steer, rider positioning system and wide-range gearing. The ICE Full Fat's rugged performance is top-notch, thanks to its high cruciform and 326-inch wheels that give superb ground clearance over rugged terrain. Its large volume, low-pressure tires offer float and traction when navigating soft terrain and bumpy trails. The trike can be fitted with the beautifully integrated Shimano Steps e-assist system, which is available in two models, the E6100 and the E8000. The E6100 model has a powerful 250-watt electric motor, 60 Nm torque, 418 Wh/hour, 504 Wh/hour battery, Bluetooth connectivity and optional automatic rear hub gear shifting. The E8000 model has a powerful 250-watt electric motor, 17 Nm torque, 504 Wh/hour battery, Bluetooth connectivity and optional XT-Di2 electronic gear shifting. You're guaranteed optimum back support with incorporation of the ErgoFlow mesh seat, which is standard. Fitted to the Full Fat, it contains a seat frame and cover, which is made of breathable fabrics to maximize airflow. It also has comfort-enhancing cushioning in the base and side bolsters. The tension in the back can be easily adjusted to conform to the rider. At the top, there is also a convenient weather-sealed pocket for small items such as keys and phones, etc. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.